John Psilos, American College of Education, Curriculum Instruction, 6163, Technology-Driven Curriculum and Social Media. And today we're going to talk about two lesson plans. This is the first, and we are going to talk about the Assure and how we're going to incorporate Assure to the lesson plan. So, I will begin. First of all, I will analyze my learners, which I not only analyze these students, but the time amount that we have in the class, which is different this upcoming year. Instead of being a 55-minute, we're going to a 4x4 block, as we previously did the year before. The year before that, excuse me. So we're going to have 12 learners, 4 groups. And in the groups, we're going to have 3 Hispanic students, 1 in each group. We're doing that because they can work with English-speaking students, and they should better help them understand and then comprehend. Okay, and the state standard and objectives. All right, state standard is Global Studies 2.3. The class is World History. And I have 2 objectives set up. One for the overall class objective for the week, and a overall objective for the day. The overall week objective is analyze the Cold War politically and economically. And TSWBAT, the student will be able to explain the reasons the United States entered into the Cold War. Our strategies, we're going to use scaffolding and Bloom's taxonomy, and we're going to utilize resources, student laptops, and smartboard for this lesson. So we're going to refine participation. We're going to use collaboration, and I'll be in and out of the groups. Okay, and then after we do that, when we get back into class the next day, we will take a quiz, and then I will go over it and see if I need to reteach it again, or certain aspects of it, certain questions I need to reteach, I will do so. Okay, so lesson 1. Lesson 1 is going to be, the students are going to take Cordell notes, watch a video clip. Okay, that's going to be off the smartboard. All right. Then when they go home in groups, they're going to break up into 4 groups of 3. And they are going to be online, communicating with each other, discussing what is going on with the Cold War. And I want them, and I tell them to use upper level Bloom's taxonomy words when discussing, using words like analyze, synthesize, determine, explain. Okay, so after they break into groups, I will be in and out of each group, and I will be facilitating just a little bit, just kind of guiding them through. After that, we will, the next day we come back into class, we'll have a quiz. The format of the quiz is probably going to be, I haven't decided. Sometimes I do formative, sometimes I do summative, sometimes I do a combination of both. It just depends. I don't create a quiz until the morning of, because I want to see how everything went before, the day before, or the past days before. Okay, so after the quiz, they'll have another assignment to do, and I will, while they're working on book work, I will, on their laptop, I will work on grade the quizzes. And either that day or the day after that, we will go over it, and if I need to reteach it, I shall. That is the first lesson for this part of part 1, and part 2 will be coming up soon. Thank you.